Okay. The deck is expanding. This is the full size now, yes, Billy? Sorry, Johnny. It's nice size, very good. Progress on the deck. Oh, this is so exciting. We're getting our timber flooring. Picking it up today. Soon we're going to be laying the flooring. Oh, I find it so exciting. Today is a very exciting day. I haven't seen it yet, but Bill has shown me over the FaceTime. Our tiles have arrived, long-awaited tiles. There was a delay for about a month, and it's a big deal. Tiles make a huge difference and play a big role in the whole house, especially if you're laying them throughout. So our long-awaited Italian tiles have arrived, so I'll go and have a look what it looks like. We also need to decide on the benchtop. Bill was worried that the tiles might be too busy, and if it's too busy, then we can't have a busy marble bench tops in the kitchen. So let's see. What is the best way for me to get into the house?
Nothing.
Nowhere.
Come back tomorrow.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Nowhere.
I'll show you.
You're kidding, yeah?
2 minutes.
Sure. I'll go around for now. We're doing the tiles outside as well, finishing them off. Looking great, love it. Oh wow, that way? Okay, I'll follow you. I'll step where you're stepping.
Yeah.
I don't want to mess up your beautiful work.
Hey, boss. Boss. Big boss is here. hang on.
Big boss is
Step
here.
up,
Yeah,
don't you-
I'll step over. Yeah.
Big boss is here, mate.
Oh, I see the tiles. Yay!
Amazing.
Amazing. Oh, nice. Oh, you've done so much already. I can walk in? Yes?
Before I forget, can you call Benalla coming tomorrow morning? So somebody has to check.
Sure. I'll chat to you in a minute. I want to see the tiles. Oh, wow. Okay. Thank you for that. All the line,
When the
yes.
very the boys will like that.
Yes.
We'll make the line up to in time.
Very nice. What a difference the tile make. Nice. They're busy, but not too busy. I like the color and everything.
I like it.
You like the tiles?
I like
Oh, well, if the tiler says that you like the
natural
tiles,
stuff,
yeah? Oh, awesome. Very good. It was worth the wait, I would say. We've been waiting for this tile. Awesome. Well, thank you. Yeah. Busy, but not too busy. Good. Nice. You even got it up to here. Nice.
Bill said he doesn't want to go to the inside the bathroom. because
Not
the
just
tile
yet.
is not enough.
Not just yet to the bathroom.
We already
Yes.
set up, match the line, everything.
Yeah.
But Bill said-
Awesome. Thank you. exciting. Love it. Awesome. Also here the tiles are getting all laid. Oops. Okay. I can hear Bill is spraying something out there. He's doing the deck. Around the deck. Ah, he's spraying this part. He asked me to buy him some paint spray. I love the smell. I'm a bit of a paint junkie. Oh, smells good. Hey, Billy. Smells good?
Yeah?
Yeah. So you decided to paint it black?
Because I can only get black color for those two. So to match rest of it, I just...
Ah, so the color that it was before, that light color, you couldn't get it for the ones that you added on, yeah? Mm. And you've had enough of this fencing? You didn't have to buy extra?
Those two I bought.
You bought? And they're the same, yeah? You know how you were worried that we're not gonna get the same?
No, we didn't get the same. They look similar.
They look similar,
Not same.
but similar enough?
Yeah.
Okay, good. I like the smell. I prefer the black, Billy. Me too, he says. I don't see the difference. Very good. Okay, so our deck is bigger. Very good. Billy, how are you doing? You're wonderful. How do you like the tiles? It's all right? When you say, I like the sound of it. Yeah. It's a big deal, yeah?
Yeah.
And when you can't tell until you put them down. You just don't know, yeah? Even though I had a big piece, I mean, it's a big tile, even though I bought it with me and we laid it down, but it's just one tile.
And also you had a glossy one. Do you remember glossy?
Exactly, they only had a sample of a glossy one. And
That's why I didn't quite like it glossy.
he didn't quite like it glossy. Yeah, we actually all that time he was saying, nah, I'm not so convinced about that tile. I was. I like it. I like it. Oh, such a relief. It's amazing. Very, very big relief. Everything is gonna work out for sure now. Exciting. Last bits Bill is doing on the new deck. Quite nice. Much better with the bigger area. Oh, like that, Billy? Last beats, huh? Yeah, you've been bending it for so long now, yeah? How's it going?
So far so good.
No troubles?
No trouble.
Do you need help? Now that you're asking, yeah?
Yeah.
Looking good.
Thank you. Deck doesn't look too bad either, eh?
Ah, deck doesn't look too bad either, he says. You're still joking, that's good. Nice. We're getting there.